Hey, Dr. Josh here for More Smiles for Kids. Have you heard your kids grinding their teeth at night? Gosh, it can sound terrible, like fingernails on a chalkboard. Sometimes you even see noticeable wear. The good news is most of the time grinding isn't caused by anything bad or pathologic. It usually has to do with joint development, and about the time all the permanent teeth come in, your kids usually stop grinding their teeth significantly. Now, there are a few bad things like airway issues or malocclusions that can cause grinding. If you're concerned that your child is grinding because of something bad, please call us at the office. I'd be happy to take a look. Hope this helps. Bye-bye.